Since December, our renovation team has been hard at work to bring you the best Northern Michigan experience possible. We've started renovating the rooms in the inn, and we can't wait to show you the progress. We've replaced the mattresses, added new bedding, and we've even replaced the wallpaper to make each room the perfect place for a little rest and relaxation. Alongside updated furniture, we've also added new tile in the bathroom alongside updated fixtures to match. As we continue improving for you, we'll do our best to keep you in the loop. Subscribe to our YouTube channel or follow our blog to stay informed on the latest renovation updates.